Good evening, everybody. This is JetLifePennyStocks.com doing a stock chart video analysis of LUDG, the Ludwig Enterprises Incorporated. Our last trading day was this afternoon, October 17th. We closed at 10 cents after closing at 0.085 the day before, giving us an increase of 17.65% on an outrageous volume of 874,065 shares. That size volume is unprecedented in the history of the chart that I currently have up here. We haven't seen any movement like that in quite some time. And it's because of that movement that we saw such good gains today, and it's really set us up nicely to see some more movement tomorrow into the rest of the week and into the future. Our 14-day RSI is at 47.89. As you can see, it's been getting closer and closer towards that 30, and finally crossed over it not too long ago. We're pointed up nice and strongly, and quite quickly up towards that 50. Should cross over any time now and get ourselves another bullish indicator. Really impressed with the 14-day RSI. It's looking really nice. As far as our daily charts go, we do have some support, some strong support down here at 0.05. Resistance, on the other hand, is a little bit fishy. We did just cross over our 12-day EMA, which is at 0.085, and that was acting as resistance for a while. Finally broke out of that yesterday, and now that we're riding up, we're really close to our 50-day moving average, which is acting as resistance, followed by our 26-day EMA, which is also acting as resistance. Breakout of one will break out of the other. After that, though, is where it gets a little hard to tell. I would say that we do have one right around here. This is the 0.16 area. After that, you can probably bet on another one. I don't know, maybe at the 0.22 area, 0.21. Like I said, resistance, to my mind, is getting a little bit fishy after we break out of these moving averages. After that, there's a big, long gap between our 200-day moving average, which is up there at $22. I'm not going to call that resistance. That's quite a ways away. Volume, though, you can see it's really picked up since the middle of May. We had this nice influx here, calmed down a little bit, leveled out. It hasn't completely stopped like it was prior to May, and then it's really exploded these last couple days, and that's always really exciting. It's waking back up again. On past that, we've got a lot of sleeping indicators here with our MACD and Trix lines. Both of them are really close together, pinched together, waiting to break out. Especially that MACD line, it's riding that zero line, and it's really riding that signal line as well. We're going to love breaking out of that. It's going to be a great indicator. I got 15 and a 30-day Trix lines, both of which are doing the exact same thing. The Trix lines are pinched right there with their signal lines, waiting for some major movement to start seeing some breakouts and crossovers there. Slow stochastics and CCI both doing incredible. The slow stochastic broke over its signal line the other day, and that's a very bullish indicator. And then most recently, we crossed over that zero line, giving us another very strong indication that we're going to see some good movement here with LUDG. CCI 20-day is at 76.95, also doing really nice, very strong, pointed up towards that 100, crossed over the zero line not too long ago, and we're seeing some strength there as well. Stochastic RSI is doing really nice. We had our 14-day moving average recently cross over the 80, which is a strong buy indicator. It's a bullish sign, and really looking forward to that. We have maxed out our stochastic RSI, which is another bullish indicator. And then after that, very impressively, our Chaikin money flow has had a very strong market despite the lack of movement and the relatively level playing field that we've been on. It's very strong, very impressive. We did have dipped down a little bit, back down to 0.423. But we are quite some ways away from that zero, and I expect it to gain a little bit more strength, kind of recover, maybe level out a little bit once the market opens tomorrow, and we can start seeing some more good trades come in. The ADX line is doing really nice. I'm very excited about this one. The positive and negative DIs are pinching towards each other, which is a very bullish indicator, looking for a crossover. We're about ready to start that new uptrend, and it's going to be very exciting for us over here. The PVO is also incredibly bullish. 85.124 crossed over the signal line quite some weeks ago and hasn't crossed back underneath in a while. It's a very nice indicator there, quite bullish. Every aspect of this chart is bullish. We got our money flow index spiked way up. We're above that 80, and that one's looking really nice. Accumulation is also very exciting. As you can see, it's very clearly in an uptrend, and it has been for quite some time. Haven't seen a lot of slowing down on that one, and I don't expect to see any time soon. It's as you can see, look at that. It's just a beautiful uptrend there. On balance volume spiked way up in response to our volume that we had today, just incredible. LUDG is really looking to see some major movement today when the market opens. Very excited about it. Tomorrow when the market opens, I should say. And it's really got me anticipating a really good day. The chart's beautiful, and hopefully we can just get some awareness out on it, and people can get the good news that LUDG is ready for a breakout. We're going to see some major movements on this one, in my opinion. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave it in the comment section below. You can write us at the Jet Life Penny Stocks email account, which you can find on our website, www.jetlifepennystocks.com. As always, we would love to hear from you. You can find us on iHub. Just search Jet Life. Good luck in the market tomorrow, and I hope to see you on the boards. Good night.